Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Charles Schwab trading platform. First, access the platform via the official website or the mobile application. Once there, securely log in using your unique credentials. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. You will see an overview of your accounts and quick links to essential features, making your initial experience straightforward and efficient. Now let's explore the platform's key features. You can easily locate your account balances and a comprehensive portfolio summary, providing a clear picture of your investments. Discover robust research tools for stocks, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. Additionally, access a wealth of educational resources and current market insights to help inform your investment decisions, all designed for ease of use. Ready to place a trade? Navigate to the dedicated trade section. Here, you will enter the ticker symbol for the asset you wish to buy or sell. Next, select your desired order type, such as a market order or a limit order. Specify the quantity of shares or units, then carefully review all order details before submitting. This ensures accuracy and helps you execute trades confidently. Finally, let's discuss monitoring and managing your investments. You can easily track your open orders and observe your overall portfolio performance in real time. Set up customized alerts for significant price changes or important news events affecting your holdings. Furthermore, utilize advanced tools for in-depth analysis and efficient portfolio rebalancing, helping you maintain your investment strategy effectively over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.